The roads, the secondary roads, have been neglected for a long, long time. So we have to do something. We have to go back to a concept that you had forever, which was maintenance first. This says since March the 16th, you have pulled shoulders and ditches on 13,000 shoulder miles, ditched 2,200 road miles, replaced 169,000 feet of culvert and pipes, used 122,000 tons of rock to stabilize the hillsides, used 22,000 tons of asphalt, and spent 2,500 additional employees' hours on other maintenance. You can see your progress. We still got a lot to do. There's no point in me telling you that we still don't have a lot to do. We are still looking anywhere and everywhere we can to try to uncover every dollar we can uncover and give it to you and say, you guys go do your job. Because I know just how good you men and women are. That's all there is to it. You know, when you unleash the power of great West Virginians, they do great stuff. Now,